Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Alpha and Omega blades. These are two of the most sought-after weapons in Critical Legends, known for their immense power and unique abilities. Obtaining them requires dedication and understanding of the game's lore. We will go through each step, ensuring you have all the necessary information to embark on this epic journey. Prepare yourself for a challenging but rewarding adventure. Your journey to acquire the Alpha and Omega blades begins with finding Chaos. This enigmatic entity is crucial to your quest, as Chaos claims to have forged these very weapons. You must seek out Chaos within the game world and initiate a dialogue. Be prepared for a profound encounter, as Chaos will test your resolve and strength. Only those deemed worthy will be granted the opportunity to wield such power. Once you have found Chaos, you will be presented with a series of challenges or a quest line. These trials are designed to push your limits and ensure you are truly deserving of the legendary weapons. You will need to showcase exceptional combat skills and strategic thinking to overcome these obstacles. Upon successful completion, Chaos will bestow upon you both the Alpha and Omega blades, recognizing your proven strength. With the Alpha and Omega blades in your possession, you can unlock their full potential. Many players combine them to form a formidable Alpha and Omega class, enhancing their overall power. These blades offer unique abilities that can turn the tide of battle. Experiment with various passive skills and active abilities to create a build that maximizes their devastating impact. Master these weapons and dominate your foes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.